Hello everyone, my name is Markfire Odhiambo. Today I'll be taking you through a brief but deep explanation of my personal temperament based on the temperament quiz test that I did. Let's start with my personality. My personality type is Commander ENTJA. As an ENTJ commander, I'm a naturally born leader with an unparalleled drive to turn visions into reality. My strategic mind excels at seeing the big picture, identifying long term goals and devising efficient plans to achieve them. I possess a rare combination of confidence, charisma, and decisiveness that draws others to me and inspires them to become greater people in the society. My results show that I'm a choleric sanguine, a powerful blend of leadership, energy, influence, and passion. Let me break down what this means and what it says about who I am. Temperament simply refers to the natural way a person thinks, feels, and behaves. It is the inborn part of our personality that shapes how we react to situations, how we relate with others, and how we make decisions. My dominant temperament is choleric, which accounts for most of my score. A choleric person is naturally strong willed and determined, goal oriented, confident, and decisive, motivated by results rather than by emotions. A natural leader who likes taking charge. Cholerics are known for being action driven. They don't wait for things to happen. We make things happen. We prefer clarity, structure, and moving forward with purpose. We enjoy challenges and often thrive in situations where others might hesitate. Strengths of a choleric include leadership, high productivity, strategic thinking, courage and confidence, ability to stay focused even under pressure. Weaknesses may include but not limited to being impatient, sometimes appearing too demanding, difficult tolerating slow processes, or indecisive people. This temperament shows that I naturally carry drive, ambition, and leadership energy. The second part of my temperament is sanguine, which balances the choleric side. A sanguine person is social and outgoing, energetic and expressive, optimistic and fun loving, good at communicating and inspiring others. Sanguines bring life into the room. They are people oriented, friendly, and easily connect with others. They are also creative, spontaneous, and great storytellers. Strengths of a sanguine may include excellent communication, ability to motivate and energize people, high enthusiasm, adaptability, natural friendliness. Possible weaknesses may include getting bored easily, struggling with routine, being too spontaneous at times. This temperament shows that I am naturally expressive, vibrant, and able to connect with different kinds of people. The combination of choleric and sanguine creates a unique personality type, often called the inspiring leader. It means that I am driven like a choleric, yet friendly like a sanguine, focused yet social, confident yet warm. People with this blend are known for leading with passion, speaking with influence, inspiring others through words and actions, having the ability to turn ideas into reality, bringing energy, confidence, and clarity wherever they go. This temperament explains why I often take initiatives, why I enjoy motivating others, and why I naturally step into leadership roles. It also shows why I value purpose, results, meaningful relationships, and positive energy in life. In summary, being a choleric sanguine means I am driven, energetic, confident, and influence focused person. I lead with purpose, connect with people with ease, and thrive in environments that require passion, creativity, and direction. Thank you for watching, and I hope this breakdown gives you a deep understanding of who I am based on my temperament results. And I hope you subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment. Thank you. See you next time.